So it's like cleaning up the cabin every few flights?
Exactly. You don't wait until the plane stinks, you keep it clean regularly.
And when do we retire tests? Sara, half our UI tests are failing again. The login button was renamed, the seat map got a redesign, and someone added a new promo field.
Sounds like your scripts are aging badly. Even automation needs upkeep, code, test cases, infrastructure, all of it.
I thought automation was set it and forget it.
Only in fairy tales. Real automation degrades over time due to app changes, environment shifts, test data drift, and even new business logic.
So how do we fix this?
There are two approaches. Preventive maintenance, things you do before problems start, like modular test design, stable locators, and regular code reviews. Corrective maintenance, what you do after things break, like updating selectors, rewriting assertions, or removing dead scripts.
How often should we maintain the suite?
Continuously, but at a minimum, review failing tests after each run and schedule monthly audits of the suite.
What about refactoring?
Absolutely. Refactor if you see repeated code, long unreadable test functions, hard-coded values, test cases that are slow or flaky.
So it's like cleaning up the cabin every few flights?
Exactly. You don't wait until the plane stinks, you keep it clean regularly.
And when do we retire tests?
When they test obsolete features, never fail, or are covered better elsewhere. Each test should earn its place in the suite.
Got it? From now on, we don't just build automation, we maintain it like a product.
That's the mindset. Sustainable automation doesn't mean perfect. It means predictable, readable, and adaptable. Next, improving the test automation solution. We'll talk optimization, scalability, and future-proofing your framework.